Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Target RedCard, access statements and payments step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and make sure your internet connection is stable. In the address bar, type target.com and press enter to go to the official Target website. Look at the top right corner and click sign in. If you already have a Target.com account, enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Create Account and follow the prompts to register. After signing in, go back to the top right menu and open your account or profile section. Find and select RedCard or Target Credit Card to enter the RedCard management area. If you are redirected, choose Manage My RedCard to continue. For additional security, complete any verification request such as a code sent by text or email. Once you are inside, locate the navigation tab that says Statements or Billing Statements. Click Statements to view your available monthly statement list. Select the most recent statement to open it on screen. Use the download or PDF option if you want to save the statement to your device. Use the print option if you want a paper copy for your records. To check what you currently owe, find the balance or amount due section on the overview page. To see when payment is due, look for the payment due date field. Next, click Payments or make a payment to start the payment process. Choose the payment amount, such as minimum payment, statement balance, or a custom amount. Select the payment date, and pick today if you want to pay immediately. If you have not added a bank account, click Add Payment Method or Add Bank Account. Enter your bank routing number and account number carefully, then save the payment method. Review the payment details and confirm the amount, date, and bank account one more time. Click Submit or Authorize Payment to send the payment. Wait for the confirmation screen and take a screenshot or note the confirmation number. Go back to the Payments or Activity section to confirm the payment status shows as scheduled or posted. If you cannot sign in, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page and reset your password. If you still have issues, use the Help or Contact Us link to reach Target RedCard support. For security, always sign out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.